Ya Allah, there are people who hate us for no reason, people who smile at us but pray for our downfall in secret. Ya Allah, protect us from those who carry poison in their hearts. Protect us from those who speak well in front of us but bury our names behind our backs. From those who envy the little we have and try to destroy the blessings you gave us. Ya Allah, shield us from every evil eye, from every jealous heart, from every curse wrapped in black magic, and every whisper of the devils who walk among men. Ya Allah, whoever plans evil for us, turn it back on them. Let their hatred destroy itself. Let your angels surround us. Let your light destroy every darkness sent our way. We place our hearts, our homes, and our names in your hands. You are Al-Hafiz, the best of protectors.